This video was made possible by Vovo Toys, the legendary hobby specialist shop in Jakarta with a wide range high-quality diecast product. Don't forget to check the link in the description. Hey guys, it's a special day and a special package just arrived from Poprace. Let me show you, like always, Mr. Marcy always send us this compliment card. It was so nice from him. And let me show you what we have here. I think this is the most anticipated upcoming release from Poprace, the Honda Civic Eg6 rocket body. As you can see, it is the Honda Civic. And guys, as you can see, this is the standard sample box from Poprace. Before Poprace release the actual product, they always send me this sample. Let me show you. This is the metallic blue Honda Civic Eg6 rocket body pandem from Poprace. I think this is the most anticipated upcoming release from Poprace. Look at this. And I always like blue, especially on the car. I love blue paint, especially on GDM, especially on Civic. The wheels also work properly, like always from Poprace. And you can see the fire extinguisher from windshield. That's a nice feature in case of flaming. And the side mirror is made from rubber. Another great feature from Poprace, so it's unbreakable. You don't have to worry about falling and then the side mirror is breaking out. It's not gonna happen. Let's check it out under the hood. As you can see, these VTEC monster engines, which, oh my god, it's so nice detail from Poprace. You can see the VTEC there. There's VTEC logo on the hood. That's really great. And my favorite feature from this casting is this one. You can see through the window, the super clear glass window. You can see the fire extinguisher, the bright sport seat, and the T-bar at the back. This is just so nice. I mean, this is probably the best Poprace casting I ever touch, I ever see. So big thanks for Mr. Lee and Mr. Lance to send this sample from me. And guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any question you have, and I'll see you in the next one.